Hello guys! Welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'll show you 10 Instagram Reels ideas you can post today. Let's get started. If your audience is active on Instagram, it only makes sense to experiment with adding Instagram Reels to your strategy on the platform. This particular Instagram feature is blowing up right now, as it's giving users a way to create TikTok-style content on a platform where they've already spent time building a community. But the question is, what in the world should you be posting to Reels? Unfortunately, many people get caught up in thinking they don't have anything fun or creative to share, when in reality, there are tons of amazing Instagram Reels ideas you can film and upload today. To help you get started, here are 10 ideas that you can easily get started with. They're perfect for showing off who you are and what your brand is all about. And the best part is that your audience is sure to love this too. That's always a win. Number 1. Introduce yourself and your team. People want to get to know those who are behind their favorite brands. They want to see your face. They want to get a sense of what your personality is like. And they also want to know that you're actually human behind that logo. Not only that, but people even like the opportunity to get to know your team if you have one working alongside you. Take some time to film a quick intro video where you share who you are and what you do, and invite any team members to do the same. When people get to know who is behind their favorite brands, they develop a stronger connection with them. There are actually a number of Reels sounds you can use specifically for this that prompts you with questions that help others get to know who you are. Number 2. Share snippets from your day. Although Instagram currently only allows Reels to be 30 seconds in length, you can still share some quick snippets of what your everyday life looks like. The thing is, we are curious people, and we love to see what the lives of others are like. That's why reality TV and vlogs are so popular even after all these years. So, one of the favorite Instagram Reels ideas is to create a mini vlog for all your followers to check out. You can share things like your morning routine, the tasks you do on an average day, what you're cooking, or etc. The things are endless. Just pick a nice musical track to go along with your reel, but choose something that's not too distracting or overpowering if you're also talking in the video as well. Number 3. Give a behind-the-scenes look into your work. What it's like working behind the scenes on your business. Inquiring minds want to know. Think of something that would be fun for your audience to watch. Would they like to see how you plan your week every Sunday? Or maybe they want to know how you get ready for a client call. Perhaps you could show off what you do on your work breaks. The idea here is to share what life is like as a business owner. It gives people a glimpse at the kind of work you do on a daily basis. And it can also be motivating for those who aspire to run their own businesses someday. Number 4. Show a before and after. One of the most popular Instagram Reels ideas is to create some sort of before and after transformation. The reason people love to do this so much is because it allows them to get creative with how they transition from one clip to the next. Plus, a before and after can be done for so many different things. It could be a hair or makeup transformation, an office makeover, a blank screen to a stunning sales page, or something else entirely. Number 5. Teach people how to do something. Is there something you could teach people to do in a quick 30-second video? If so, then film a reel walking people through the step-by-step process. The key is to making this effective is to choose a simple topic, something that's easy to follow along with. This could be an easy hairstyle, a DIY with only few steps, or even a short and sweet marketing tutorial. Number 6. Offer tips your audience can utilize. Odds are, you have tons of valuable tips and tricks that your audience could really benefit from. So, why not share them in the most easy-to-consume way possible? Offer up a tip on a topic that your audience is genuinely interested in learning more about. At the end, invite viewers to leave a comment with any questions or what they'd like to learn about next. That is sure to generate an endless supply of Instagram Reels ideas moving forward. Number 7. Give a sneak peek into something you're creating. A smart marketing strategy is to get people excited about the things you're creating. It could be a new blog post, or a podcast episode, or even a brand new course. By sharing these sneak peeks and offering little snippets here and there, it gives people something to look forward to. It tells them something amazing is coming, and they can start counting down until the moment it's released. Number 8. Talk about your products and services. If you're running a business, you obviously need to make sales in order to stay afloat. For that reason, it's smart to make sure you're talking about your products and services. That's why this tip needed to be on an Instagram Reels ideas list. You simply cannot expect people to discover your offerings on their own. You need to actually promote them. Tell people about the offerings you've worked so hard to create. Inform them of the benefits your products and services provide, as well as the transformation they deliver. You shouldn't be shy when it comes to talking about your offers and making the sale. You should proudly share them with the entire world. Number 9. Answer frequently asked questions. Are you often asked some of the same questions by people within your target audience? Probably. That means you could take some of those questions and turn them into quick and easy answers over on Reels. If people often ask about the camera equipment you use for vlogging, share it with them. If they're curious about the tools you use for managing your social media, give them a walkthrough of your favorites. The best part is, it won't even take long to record. And lastly, number 10. Use the latest trending sounds. One of the best Instagram Reels ideas I can offer is to take advantage of the trending sounds of the moment. When adding sound to your Reels, Instagram will show you what's currently trending. And by listening to them, it could spark some ideas for your next post. The reason it's great to utilize the trending sounds is because it increases the likelihood of you being discovered by new viewers. You see, people can click to the sound used on any reel and find all the others that use the same sound. That means more exposure for you. Also, remember to make inclusive content. Please take the extra time to make sure your content is accessible to everyone. And those are 10 Instagram Reels ideas you can post today. And before this video ends, did you know that you can go live with pre-recorded videos on Facebook and YouTube for an instant traffic boost? Yes, it's perfect for new marketers. No need to be an A speaker to go live. Introducing the world's most powerful traffic boosting application, Livecaster 3 by Technic Force. Get a mega live video boost no matter what your niche is. You can be a video marketers, e-com marketers, bloggers, or offline businesses. Livecaster is the most powerful yet easy to use live casting app. You can add any video, schedule any video to go live. You can go live instantly at the press of a button with any video. It works with Facebook pages, profiles, YouTube seamlessly. Just connect and go live. You can add any live casting platform and live cast without a hassle. And you can live cast smooth videos from your desktop on broadband. If you want to know more about Livecaster, just go to livecaster.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.